Oo. Hey. Selfie.
I got the ride R150. I ride 150. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Bye, safe. Bye. Welcome back to another Manila day of going around. I just dropped the wife in high precision. I'm gonna go to LTO now to get my license plate. So in November they told me come next week, but then I didn't go. Obviously I know it's not gonna be next week, so it's probably 3 months now. We're in February, so don't deal with fixer. 3 months later, let's see if they have my license plate. Shit is busy, man. So I'm very happy. I don't have anything else to do in LTO because it's so packed today. So I asked the guy and he told me go to your dealership to ask to follow up with them for your license plate. But LTO told me to come back here and they say it will take a week. Last time it will take a week and I come back in LTO's office to get the license plate. So I don't know. Anyway, where I bought the motorcycle is just down the road, so I'm gonna go and ask them. And that Aerox is nice, no? Racing Boy shocks and white. Really good, no? Put a Suzuki in front. Come on. Young and done. Yes. Yes you are. So we are now jog. We are on the way to Makati now. I'm just squeezing it to the small street to avoid traffic. It's a bit bumpy and you cannot go fast as the main road, but then the main road is full, so you have to filter. Fuck! How come? A touch going down the... I hate when it's two people. I can't believe this, man. I don't know if you hear the noise, but a touch going down. I need to check. Maybe there's something with my exhaust. The chaos of Makati. So we actually Ayala Center. Gonna go. Okay, gonna go there. Let me see. Oh my god, I think I make a mistake. What do I pass here? No, stuck. Okay. Good jacket. Sakto lang. There's gonna be traffic everywhere anyway. So can finally talk. We didn't plan to buy anything actually, and we stopped by Glorieta to park, and we went to Motor World, and my wife always needed a jacket. I was about to buy last Christmas, but they didn't have the size. And then this time she found another one, 4,600 pesos, something like that. 4,600. What is this? No way. Why not? Wheel on the side. So she find at that price, and I was like, well, it fit you, just buy it because you need. She usually use my Suzuki jacket, which has no protection, and some Komine gloves. And also me, I was about to buy new gloves. I was waiting, and then I saw those one. I was like, okay, let's buy. It's like 1,600, I think 1,500 something. Komine, pretty good, you know, light. There's some protection in the front. What's more important when you buy gloves is the protection, you know, on your palm of the hand. Bottom, you know, here. That's the most important. So yeah, I'll make a review actually of all my gears, what I'm using. Komine has good jacket. There was one similar, very similar as mine, for 11,000 pesos. It's not cheap, you know, but it's nice. I mean, mine costs the same price anyway. I think mine costs like 12,000 pesos. Anyway, long story short, we've been there, and then the reason why we went to Makati today is because last week we went to travel expo thing in SMX, and we signed up for some raffle. That guy is annoying. Can pain in the ears. Why don't you go one way, no? Just leave the white side clean so everyone can go. So anyway, we went to that expo. And we signed up for some raffle. And obviously someone called us today. Well, I think it was yesterday. Oh, you win at the raffle. So I was smiling already. And then they say you win a thing. You can go for 3 nights, 2 nights, 3 days in Cebu or Davao. In a resort, it will cost you only 1,500 pesos for each night, which is reasonable, I guess. So we were interested by this. So they say, come, you have an hour talk, and then basically they try to sell you a membership. But the most funny thing about this is the 3 of us sign in, my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my wife, and then they all call everyone to go. So it's funny. But anyway, we didn't sign up for the membership, but we end up with 2 nights. If you want to go to Cebu or Davao, we go 4 stars resort for 1,500. Well, 3,000 for 2 nights. So yeah, it's okay. It's still a good deal if we ever want to go to Cebu, you know, or Davao. So yeah. Anyway, the membership, that was the most funny part. I thought membership would be 25k to 15k. So we just been there to get the. This is tricky when you have a passenger at the back. This filtering. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Very tricky. So the membership is you have to pay basically every month. I'll give you the clip. Here's the clip of the girl actually I was filming at that.
First sir.
It's not cheap. The whole price for the whole to pay straight away is not cheap.
I know sir, but what I'm offering you or what I'm showing you right now, it's a lifetime
Yeah.
membership.
I understand.
So what I'm ask you is if the price of the membership is, do you think, is it reasonable and affordable?
I mean, for now, for us, I think we're not yet ready to, you know, to get this kind of membership. Maybe after 5 years or something.
10 or 15 years.
Once we settle down, really, then that's the time. Maybe we're gonna get this kind of like.
So yeah, it's 500,000 pesos for a fucking membership for lifetime. Yes, it's for lifetime. Okay, fine, you got that point. But you have to pay every. So if you want to stay 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there's a maximum 3 weeks. You pay different price. 1 week you pay 13,000 pesos a year, which is for seven nights of hotel, which is like less than 2,000 pesos a night basically, which is okay. 2 weeks is like 25,000 pesos. 3 weeks is probably a bit cheaper, like compared to the first, you know. So I was thinking, if you pay 10k for membership, or maybe 25k for membership to be a lifetime, it should be okay, you know, because you pay only 13k. I mean, it sounds decent if you pay 10k membership, because yeah. But anyway, 500,000 pesos membership. I was looking at my wife like, the fuck is wrong with those people? Are you crazy? But they do a good deal in a way that, like, if we sign up today, obviously it's a VIP day, last day, blah blah blah, as always. So you get a 15% discount. You pay 42k deposit, and then you pay 48 months, so for 4 years. No, not for 3 years. 4 years, 4 years. Yeah, I'm calculating. Yeah, you pay 48k for, so you pay 2,000 pesos a month. So basically you go 380, you give 42 and you got 382 to pay. Can I go there? Tricky. I'm gonna wait. I'll go by myself, but I have no passenger with me. Fuck it. So yeah, 42k deposit plus 382 to pay in 4 years. It's fucking expensive, man. Are you crazy or what? This is a good deal for them. If they put the membership at 25k, then they have, you know, if you pay 13k more a year, then you have, you know, you're guaranteed to sell 7 nights for each member, you know. For your hotel is good, but 500,000 pesos, can you imagine the money what you can do in travel with 500,000 pesos in your lifetime? It's a lot, no? And you're limited to go to what, 9-10 hotel, you know. They say they're gonna open some new hotel, blah blah blah, but you know, it doesn't matter how many hotels you have, it doesn't cover the whole Philippines, you know. It is a 4-star hotel, you know, Regency, Crown Regency Hotel. It has nothing to do with Crown Plaza. It's some small 4-star hotel chain, basically. So yeah, basically that's what you get, 500,000 pesos. Fuck. Okay, that was my day off, guys. Thanks for watching. I think it's gonna be a long vlog. I'll see you later. Can you imagine the bike you could buy for $500,000 pesos? You know what I mean? Or a car, you know? Rather take the money and just go to travel, man. Spend $500,000 pesos in your whole life on travel. Those gloves are nice, man, I'm telling you. Very nice.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my